Samantala, binigyan ng parangal ang ilang guro, pulis at sundalo bilang pagkilala sa kanilang mga kabutihang nagawa para sa kanilang kapwa at sa bayan. May detalye si Sofia Ocus.
That not only do we recognize some of those who toil quietly, anonymous and unrewarded, but also to present them as role model for society to appreciate and hopefully to emulate. Congratulations to all of our awardees.
Bilang pagkilala sa kadakilaan at kagitingan ng mga guro, pulis at sundalo sa bansa, 30 awardees ang kinilala at binigyang parangal kanina sa lungsod ng Makati. Taon-taon isinasagawa ang pagkilalang ito sa pakikipagtulungan ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, Philippine National Police, Commission on Higher Education at Department of Education. Isa si Dr. Catherine Vistroyu sa mga gurong tumanggap ng parangal. Ilan din sa mga tumanggap ng parangal ay sina Dr. Roberto D. Santos ng Santa Rita Elementary School, Mrs. Nueva Mangawang ng Manit Integrated School, Rizal M. Vidalio ng Anabu Elementary School, Mrs. Mariam Rivamonte ng Santa Cruz South Central School, Dr. Annie Rodriguez ng Philippine Science High School ng Southern Mindanao Campus, Mr. Ernesto D. Kakulitan Jr. ng Ernesto Rondon High School, Mrs. Maravi Lim Castro ng General Santos Special Education Integrated School, Mr. Galcosco Alboro ng Concepcion Integrated School, at Dr. Hilda Montaño at Dr. Catherine T. Vistroyu ng West Visayas State University ng Iloilo City. Andyan din ang Outstanding Philippine Soldiers na pinangunahan ni Colonel Milfredo Melegrito, Sergeant Juana R. Hernal, Technical Sergeant Ronaldo Dumangay, Captain Eric Cagaon, Engine Man 3rd Class Ricky Burgos, Lieutenant Colonel Antonio Francisco Jr., Senior Master Sergeant Augusto Reyes, Master Sergeant Emerito Angkaw, at Colonel Raul Tangco. Andyan din ang Outstanding Policemen in Service na pinangunahan ni Police Superintendent Belly Tamayo, Police Senior Inspector Vicente Cabatingan, Police Inspector Charity Galvez, Police Superintendent Bernard M. Banak, PO3 Eduardo Santiago, SPO3 Renjon Bagaman, SPO3 Ria Sotomil, PO3 Mary Jane Perez, SPO4 Maria Rosario Suarez, at SPO3 Robert Fabregas. Dumalo sa pagtitipon sina House Speaker Feliciano Belmonte, Department of Education Secretary Brother Armin Luistro, Honorable Patricia Licuanan ng Commission on Higher Education at Philippine National Police Director Nicanor Bartolome. Makakatanggap naman ang mga awardees ng trophy at 300,000 piso. Para sa mata ng Agila, Sofia Ocus, BC News.